In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Payoneer account to your eBay seller account. This step-by-step guide will help you manage your payouts with ease and ensure your eBay transactions are streamlined and efficient. To begin, let's start by either creating a Payoneer account or logging into your existing one. Head over to Payoneer.com. If you're new to Payoneer, you'll need to sign up by providing some basic information such as your email, name, and a secure password. Follow the prompts, ensuring that all fields are completed accurately. You'll also be required to go through some essential verification steps to fully activate your account. This might include confirming your identity, so have your identification documents handy. If you already have a Payoneer account, simply log in with your existing credentials. Next, you'll want to log into your eBay seller account. So open up your web browser and navigate to ebay.com. Click on the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the web page. Enter your eBay username and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right to bring up the drop-down menu. From there, select Account Settings and then find the option for Payments or Payment Preferences. This is where you'll be able to manage how you receive payments for your eBay sales. Now it's time to choose Payoneer as your payment method. Within the Payment Preferences, look for an option that allows you to link or add a payment provider. Click on it, and you should see a list of available payment methods. From this list, select Payoneer. Choosing Payoneer will redirect you to their site, which is the next crucial step in the process. When you arrive at the Payoneer login page, enter your email and password if you haven't already signed in. eBay will request your permission to connect to your Payoneer account. By authorizing this connection, you're allowing eBay to send your revenue directly to your Payoneer account, making future transactions and revenue collections much smoother and faster. Once you've authorized the connection, you should be redirected back to eBay. On this page, check the Payment Preferences section again to confirm that Payoneer is now set as your payout method. It's a good idea to thoroughly review all the details to ensure everything is set up correctly. Double check your information and make any necessary adjustments right from this page to avoid any future payment issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your Payoneer account to your eBay seller account, ensuring your payments are handled efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.